This is a 52-inch Baylor themed ceiling fan. The fan itself dates probably from the late 70s, early 80s. The paint job is custom. The blades and brackets been replaced. Blades obviously being customized. It is 3-speed. It is controlled not simply by the pull chain. There is a knob on the side of the switch housing that controls the 3 speeds. The original pull chain was just on and off, and I switched that to one where you could control the fan and a light kit if you would like to add one from the same pull chain. So the first pull would be the fan, the second pull would be the light, the third would be both, and the fourth would be off. I'll go ahead and turn it on for you real quick. Let's start off on low. The fiber kind of cloth up inside the motor housing, I also changed that out. The original one was kind of tattered when I got it. Low's pretty fast, probably going to run about 90 to 100 RPM. It does put out a decent amount of air. Most older fans do. Medium's probably going to run about 140 RPM. And we'll turn it on high. High is going to run right about 200. Go ahead and reverse it for you. Just to show that it does work on reverse. You might want to spend a whole lot of time with the speeds. And reverse is going to run pretty much the same. So again, this is a 52-inch Baylor themed ceiling fan. It's standard import fan from when they were common. It's built pretty well, got a good solid motor inside of it. Should last for a lot more years. And thanks a lot for watching.